Hello and welcome to Cryssberry kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this lip-smacking grilled chicken with Chefman Gas Grill on your stove top. So let's go. So today I'm having 5 pieces of chicken here. So I'm using a handful of coriander leaves, a piece of ginger, 4 pods of garlic. So we'll grind everything to a paste without adding water. We'll marinate the chicken using this paste. I'm adding half teaspoon of lemon juice to it and 2 teaspoons of curd. To this we'll add salt. So I like to add salt this way. For each piece of chicken I add about a pinch of salt like this so that I don't end up adding more or less salt. And after this I'll add half teaspoon of red chili powder for each piece. You can add more if you want. I'm using Kashmiri red chili powder. So according to your taste you can add more or less. Now a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of garam masala powder. So we'll mix up everything. So rub it into the chicken until it coats well and let it rest for about 2 hours at least, or just refrigerate it overnight. Refrigerating the chicken overnight makes the chicken more tender and juicy. So this is a gas grill pan with a non-stick coating. So this is the bottom of it. And we have a drip tray. So we'll start the cooking process now. To see the full product demo video, please check the link in the description box. So now we will pour water into the drip tray. So always make sure that there is enough water inside. Don't pour too much water. You can see the rim there, right? So you have to pour the water until it fills up to the rim. Not more than that. Okay, now, so let's start our cooking process. For that, first I'll preheat this grill for about 3 minutes on medium flame. And then I'll apply some oil on top. Though it's non-stick, according to manual, they're asking to apply oil like this. So now we will prepare our chicken. So we'll place the chicken carefully on the grill and always remember to cook the chicken on low medium flame, otherwise your chicken will look cooked from outside but the inside will not be cooked. So always cook on low medium flame. Okay, so now after 5 minutes we will just flip it over. So what I'm doing is every 5 minutes I flipped it over to see if it's cooked. So here you can see nice grill marks appearing on the chicken, right? See? So now let me show you the inside part of the chicken. See, it's nicely cooked. So check with a fork on both the sides of the chicken and make sure it's cooked evenly on both sides. So now our chicken is done and it's easily coming out of the skewers with nice grill marks. Can you see it? So our very own restaurant style homemade grilled chicken is ready to eat. So cook, share, enjoy. It took me about 20 minutes to grill the chicken on the stove top and that's not bad. So if you like the product and if you wish to purchase it, please check the link in the description box. And if you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you soon.